Hey there, and welcome to our tutorial on how to set general account permissions. This will act as default permissions when you create various categories and assets. Before we dive into the general settings, let's first explain what a category is and what an asset is. Anytime I select a feature on the left sidebar, it takes me to the category. For instance, when clicking on Forms, I am currently inside the Forms category. I can now set the permissions for the whole category by clicking on the permissions bubbles at the top. When I click on a specific form, I then enter an asset. In this section, I can set specific permissions for this asset, like which administrators are allowed to access and edit it. Likewise, if I head to my time clock, I can set permissions for the category, or I can set permissions for a specific time clock. To do so, I just need to enter the clock and set its permissions. Now that we understand the difference between a category and an asset, let's head over to the general settings and discuss how we can set the defaults for the whole account. To do so, click on your avatar at the top right. Click on Settings and then Admin Permissions. Let's start with the middle section. By toggling off these two options, it means that admins will not be automatically added to your categories and assets, and that you will have to add them manually, which is preferred for account owners who want to be in more control of who has access to what. If you wish to have even more control, we recommend toggling off these two options, which allow admins to add other admins and give them permissions to specific categories and assets. We also have similar permission options for smart groups, and we've made a separate video that explains how smart group permissions affect your account. For further assistance, please check our Help Center for more articles and videos.